Prerequisites for affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is very simple and easy to start. You do not need to invest anything to begin affiliate marketing. If you have the passion, then you can start it within 10 minutes. You will need only to have your own computer with an internet connection to take the first step into the field of affiliate marketing. Basic requirements. Now let me tell you the basic requirements to become successful in affiliate marketing. First thing is that you must have the passion for this field. Dedication, determination and confidence are the key requirements for success in affiliate marketing. You'll need a website to promote your affiliate products. You can have a website built for you for less than $100, or you may choose to build it yourself. A domain name is also required, which can be purchased for less than $10 per year. Lastly, you need web hosting to host your website. You can find hosting for about $10 per month. What if you have no money to start? If you do not have any money to invest, then do not lose hope. You can start even without making any investment. If this is the case, you will be required to put in some extra effort and give some additional time. If you can spend some extra time with your work, you will definitely get the required result. Once you get some income, you can then purchase the latest tools which are required for this purpose. There are many people on the internet who offer free website templates, domain and hosting. Use them and get your free website up in 10 minutes. Promote your affiliate products. Once your website is up, concentrate on the advertisement. Focus your efforts on driving traffic to your website. There are many ways to do this. Most internet users use Google search engine to find and buy products. So if your website has high Google page rank, then there are more chances of heavy traffic and more sales. Just remember that this takes time and is not an overnight feat. Proper organization. Proper organization is the basic requirement for those who are going to start affiliate marketing with an aim to become successful in this field. First of all, set your goals in your mind. Work with full dedication and make a plan properly so that you may achieve your goals successfully. Your basic priority should be to achieve your goals in the minimum possible time with the least amount of money spent. Innovation. Another important quality that an affiliate marketer is required to have is innovation. It means an affiliate marketer should provide innovative packages to attract people. For acquiring best results, affiliate marketers should offer things like enticing articles on their website so that the user will likely visit again and again. You can also provide an interesting newsletter so that users can subscribe. It should provide thorough details of the latest market trends. You can also offer free downloadable gifts or software to attract the clients. Offering a frequently updated RSS newsfeed will be something that will boost your sales. Focus and patience. It is obvious that if you are advertising a new product in the market or you are a newcomer in the market, then it will take some time to achieve success. People do not trust in the products which are new in the market. Similarly, people also hesitate to trust in those who have recently entered in the market. So this is the time for you to show your focus and patience. It is probable that you might not get the desired results in the first few months. But if you remain focused and show the patience, you will start to get the results after some time. In conclusion, we can say that you can start affiliate marketing without any money in your hands. But you cannot be successful without the qualities like patience, innovation, focus and proper organization. Proper management and understanding the latest market trends are the keys to success. Continue watching the rest of this series for a complete orientation in affiliate marketing before we move on to topics dealing with setting up your own affiliate marketing business. The potential is great and you don't want to miss out. If you enjoyed this video, do leave a like and subscribe to the channel to be notified of any new content we publish on this channel. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.